Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to review Samsung Galaxy On Nxt. This isn't a new phone from Samsung. It was released back in October of 2016 and it's been about 2 years now. But there's a very good reason why I'm making a video on such an old phone in 2018. Let's get started. Okay, Samsung Galaxy On Nxt was launched with a price of around 70,000 rupees, but right now it's only 9,990 rupees, which is about 10,000. And that is the part which is really interesting, because the specs that the On Nxt has cannot be found in any other new phone for the same price right now. It comes with 3GB of RAM, 3300 mAh battery, 64GB of storage, Exynos 7870 processor, which is about as powerful as Snapdragon 625. It also has a good 13 megapixel rear camera and a 8 megapixel front camera. And one thing which you just don't find in a price like this right now is an AMOLED screen, which this phone has. So you just cannot find a phone with specs like this for 10,000 rupees or less. And not to mention, you also get the Samsung brand. The only downside that I found in this is that it's not modern looking phone with modern 18:9 aspect ratio screen. And the current Android version is Android Oreo, so there's a very less chance that you'll get Android 9. But overall, I found this phone is really value for money at 10,000 rupees, which is why I have it in my hands right now. Otherwise I wouldn't have purchased it myself. But if your focus is only gaming, then just spend 1,000 rupees more and get Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 instead of this phone, as Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 has a very good processor for gaming. But don't worry, even if you buy this phone, you will be able to play games like PUBG or any other game. As I mentioned earlier, the processor inside is about as powerful as Snapdragon 625, so even high-end games should be playable. But if you guys want me to make a video testing games on this phone, then do let me know in the comments down below with what game you would like me to try. Overall, this phone is really good and I would recommend it to anyone who doesn't just want a phone for gaming. Also, in case you want to see Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1's camera versus this phone's camera, or Redmi Note 5 camera versus this phone's camera, let me know in the comments down below, because I have both the phones. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and inshallah I'll see you guys very soon.